Hi guys, myself Navsheen
And I am Aditya Mishra.
Presently I am in AIIMS New Delhi first year. I secured AIIMS rank 1 and AIPMT rank 16.
Last year I achieved AIIMS rank 6th and IIT rank 337.
My paper strategy was that first of all, as soon as paper was in my hand, I had a quick look at all the questions and I analyzed the paper that which section is the most difficult for me. Like if suppose chemistry is, there are 5-10 questions that I think I may not be able to answer confidently, it may be, I may get wrong. So I would prefer that I would do it at an end. Because if I pick up it in the starting, my confidence goes down and then I start committing errors. So you should keep in mind that first of all you attempt the maximum questions and those questions which you are pretty much sure of. So I started with biology. Within 40 minutes I did 90 questions. So you think 50% of the paper is over in just 40 minutes. So that was a stress reduction itself for me. Then I went for chemistry. It was like another 40 minutes I was able to solve. 40 minutes at the max I was able to solve. And now I had time left for physics. Physics has numericals. Even one question can take 10 minutes if you mess up somewhere in the concept. So keep it at the end and practice it with a relaxed mind. First of all, try to read every question, attempt all the 45 questions, don't attempt whatever you don't know. Then go for the second round and attempt all the questions, your doubts, you think that here it could be a mistake, recheck all the questions and probably 3 hours you will be able to manage that. And with practice, with more and more tests, you will learn automatically.
On receiving the paper, the first thing I did was scan the paper. Like not a thorough scan, but sort of, overlook through the paper so that you'll get an idea of the level of questions that have come for the exam. So according to that, I plan like how much time should I give for, physics, for chemistry, for biology, for GK. And then I start solving according to my comfort level. Like, I'm comfortable in biology, that's why I do biology first, then chemistry, then physics, like Navsheen, like countless others do. But that's not like
it's not
you don't have to do it that way.
It's not a gold standard. Like in general days, during 2 years, it's not that 2 years you just have to study and study. Like it would be a monotonous life and you will get bored somewhere or the other. Or at the end of 6 months, you'll feel like I don't want to pursue medical anymore or something like that. So I say like keep some sort of a hobby with yourself. Like I used to play table tennis every weekend and I like listening to songs. So after every 4 to 5 hours, I switch to music. After just before going to sleep, I preferred listening to music. Some might like reading comics or novel. So some sort of activity, do keep it for yourself. It should not be like total study for 24 hours. Like nobody can do that, and even that's not required. You are having 2 hours, 2 years, so use them, utilize them properly. A smart study is the best study, I guess.
In 11th class, actually, the pressure of exams is not that much. While I got bored or something, I used to watch TV, some television shows or something. But then, as I went on in 12th class, I reduced the amount of time I used to give to these so-called distractions that people. But these are essential stress boosters. During the end months, the last 2 months, I can switch off my television like for these 2 months. I used to listen to songs or for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes after 3-4 hours of continuous study, and that was enough for me.
We all know what sorts of distraction a child at this age has.
For 2017 and 2018 aspirants, one thing can be said that maintain targets always, short-term targets, long-term targets, and try to achieve these targets.
There are 15,000 students, there are 10 teachers, like they have to solve the doubts of each and every student. They won't give you so much of time. You stand there, in 1 hour you will be able to solve just one doubt.
If you are clear on your concepts, confident on your concept, then I think a good rank is a guarantee.